Let me tell you how shea butter is made.
Awesome, shea nut is so pretty.
Crack the shell and dry it in the sun for a month. While drying, constantly pick out any spoiled nuts.
I see, pick it out one by one. Wow, let's start to squeezing oil process.
First, shake the nut to remove stones. And then the wind blows away the fallen leaves. Now comes the actual process. Just press and squeeze. Press firmly until all the oil comes out. After filter it, we can get clear shea oil.
It is becoming to butter.
This is shea butter, no added any chemical, made by natural. Finally, Uganda shea butter is on you.
Yes, Uganda, I know there. It is Pearl of Africa, Uganda, isn't?